Hi friends, I am Nisha Sajan. Today you are going to witness easiest way to learn vocabulary part 3. This is part paper channel. Welcome to today's video class. I have made the vocabulary learning in a capsule form and you need only to follow it. Will you do it? Then don't skip the video, watch it full. Okay, let's go to the content. First root word is barrel. Barrow meaning weight, pressure. Let us see the examples. First is bariatrics. Bariatrics meaning causes, prevention and treatment of obesity. So, that is obesity. See in the picture, a bariatric patient is before and after stage you can see here. If you will take continuous junk food or hotel food, you will also become bariatric patient. So, all of you give importance to homemade dishes. Okay, now next one see barophile. Barophile is an organism that lives under high pressure environment. See here in the example where you can see barophile is an organism. It is seen in the ocean floor. Next is barometer. Barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. This I think everybody knows. This equipment. Okay. Now next is barythymia. Barythymia meaning nervousness, depression. In the picture you can see a person under depression. See, he's sitting here. So recently an incident I remember about Sushant Singh Rajput who committed suicide due to barythymia. So it's a mental disorder, isn't it? Next one, hypobaropathy. Hypobaropathy meaning altitude or sickness. Altitude sickness. See here in the picture, it's a high altitude area. Here this one. So some mountaineers they feel hypobaropathy that causes illness by the ascent to high altitude. This is hypotherapy. Next is barilalia. Barilalia meaning so slow or indistinct speech. So here I kept a picture of EMS Namboodiripad. Who was he? He was the first chief minister of Kerala and also an Indian communist politician. Okay, so he had this barilalia problem, difficult to speak. That is why. Next, next is born. Born meaning what is born? Born meaning good. Born meaning good. Examples. First one, bona fide. Bona fide meaning is a real, it is not false. Other meaning in good faith is the meaning. So here you can see a bona fide statement. A bona fide, that is pramana. In Malayalam it will say pramana. So the picture bona fide certificate, that is something very genuine. Next is bonitas. Bonitas meaning goodness, honest. Okay, see here a man helping an old man to cross the road. Is it not a holy deed? So I remember other incidents also. An auto driver from Pune showed a great deal of honesty by returning 7 lakhs rupees and a bag full of gold to the owner. Not only in the Pune, here in the Kerala also such incidents, such cases we have heard. So that is bonitas. Next one is Bonnie. Bonnie meaning beautiful. Here in the picture itself you see a beautiful, attractive red rose. Yeah, that is Bonnie. Then next one is debonair. Debonair meaning charming, elegant, handsome. That is the meaning of debonair. See, this word is mostly used for men only. Okay, so see here look at Akshay Kumar's picture. It's a debonair personality. Not only he, Mammootty, Prithviraj, Hrithik Roshan, etc., etc., are all Examples of development. Next is bonjour. Bonjour is greeting or wishes like hello, great day, good morning, like that. What we wishes, that is bonjour. Have a bonjour day, you can say. Next is bonanza. Bonanza meaning prosperity, a stroke of luck. See here example, best example, Jeff Bezos, Amazon founder. He has set a record of one day wealth alone is $13 billion, which is 30 times the Q's $350 million fortune. Okay, so other examples also we can take in football Super Bowls that lead to a bonanza rating in TV. Candy companies get bonanza of wealth during Valentine's Day. These are all bonanza examples of bonanza. Next is brave or brave. Brave or brave means short. Examples, see Bravicollis. Bravicollis means short neck. See the poor child here who is having short neck and he is suffering from Bravicollis. Next is Braviloquent, meaning brave speaking or speaker. So best example I have kept here. See our honorable former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. In this picture, if you can see here what he is telling. He says that I am a man of few words, but that few word will convey enormous sense. That's he. Next one is brevilingual. Brevilingual means short tongue. See this creature, this small animal has short tongue, that is brevilingual. Next is brevifoliate. Foliate meaning leaves. So what is the meaning? Short leaves. See here in the picture, plant their short leaves. Next is abbreviate. Abbreviate meaning everybody know abbreviation and all. That is shortened a word or cut short. Here see Mr. MR Corporation COR Corp and miles per hour MPH, New York NY. That is the meaning of abbreviation. Now next is bell. Bell meaning war. Bell meaning war. Examples. First one, antebellum. Antebellum meaning, bellum meaning war, ante meaning before. So what is the meaning before or existing before a war? See here in the picture, it's written here everything before or existing before a war. Okay, next one is postbellum. Post meaning after, so after the civil war. So here in the picture you can see the condition of the place, everything ruined or destroyed. It's a great loss of people and prosperity, isn't it? Now next one is rebellion. Rebellion meaning war against the government of a country. See here in the picture I have kept a contemporary event which is held in America. Everybody knows a black man was killed under the knee of a white police officer. Not only one, only this one, other such cases also were reported. So this rebellion, what they are telling, not another black life. So the rebellions are striking against the racism. Next is belligerent. Belligerent meaning feeling or showing readiness to fight. See here a picture, you can see Mike Tyson's belligerent behavior is written here. It's very small, I don't know whether you can see or not. It's written Mike Tyson's belligerent behavior is well known. So ഇന്നത്തെ കാലത്ത് belligerent ആൾക്കാർ കൂടുതലാണ് അല്ലേ? മദ്യം കുടിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എല്ലാ ഞാഞ്ഞൂലുകളും എന്തുവാവും? belligerent ആയി പോകുന്നു അല്ലേ? So belligerent. Next one is facsimile. Pax meaning peace, bellow war, peace in war. So here see a peace in which peace in war means a peace in which fighting continues but at a reduced rate. So here it is written no war, we want love and peace. Next is Bellona. Bellona meaning the Roman goddess of war. Here, goddess of war, beautiful goddess. Next one is Belipotent. Potent meaning powerful. So, what is the meaning powerful or mighty in what? In the picture, our mighty or Belipotent Indian Army 2020, best 2020. So, they are the honor and assets of our country. They sacrifice their lives to save our nation. That is Belipotent. Next one, Beni. Next is Beni. Beni meaning good or well. Examples. First one, benign, meaning kind, harmless. The best example I get here. See babies. Actually, babies are innocent and harmless. Okay. Next one is benison. Benison meaning blessing. Blessing. See in the picture during exam time, students get a blessing from their teachers. So benison keep them confident and perform well in exam. Not only this, we should get blessings from our parents also. Blessing of God is also very necessary, isn't it? So benison. Then beneficence, act of goodness. This act of goodness. See here in the picture, it's a scene of an old age home. See old, helpless and poor senior citizens sitting. How pity is it? But one who runs such centers, they are equivalent to God. They are beneficence. Actually, they are beneficence. Next one is benevolence. Benevolence meaning to help others. See in the picture, Asim Premji, chairman of Wipro Limited, a philanthropist, one who loves human. He started the giving pledge campaign first. He only started. He donated his wealth for charity, education, and recently he donated a huge amount of money for COVID-19 also. So he is known as benevolent or generous person. Next one is benediction. Benediction meaning prayer. So benediction makes us happy. So here on the she's praying. So makes us happy, relaxed, strong, and it gives peace in your mind also. And next one is benignity, meaning kindness of altitude. In the picture, Mother Teresa, she is the symbol of kindness. I think no need to explain about her, everybody knows. Charity workers also, they are also known as benignity. Next, next is by. By meaning to. By meaning to. First one say biped. Ped meaning legs. So two-legged. Example you can see ostrich. Not only ostrich, all birds are the example of biped, having two legs. Okay, man, kangaroo. We can see other examples also. Okay, next one is bicameral. Bicameral meaning having two parts or chambers. So here first you have to understand what is bicameral. It is a legislative body with two houses. Here you can see example actually I have kept bicameral Congress of US earlier. Here US. So here you can see two chambers. Here it is written the House of Representative, and next one is Senate. So this is bicameral. So in our country also, 6 states have bicameral legislative. Our Kerala is unicameral legislative. Next one is bigamy. Bigamy meaning system of two marriages. See here the picture, this man has two wives. God knows how he manages these two ladies. Hey, anyway, this hero is very happy. കുറച്ച് നാൾ കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ട് അൺഹാപ്പി ആവാതെ ഇരുന്നാൽ മതി അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് biannual. Biannual meaning twice every year. It is written occurring twice a year, happening once every half year. Now next one is biplane. Biplane meaning an airplane with the two parts of wings. Here you can see two parts of wings. This plane one. So this is biplane. Next, biblio. Biblio meaning book. Biblio meaning book. Example, see here, biblioclast. Clast meaning destroy. So what is the meaning? One who destroys books. In the picture here, the enemies of books. These are the meaning of biblioclast. Next is bibliography. Bibliography means list of books. Here, example, you can see list of books. Then next is biblioclept. Biblioclept meaning one who steals books. You can see here in the picture a person is stealing books, isn't it? It is written. ഞങ്ങളുടെ നാട്ടിൽ ഞാൻ ജനിച്ച നാട്ടിൽ ഒരു ചെറിയ പബ്ലിക് ലൈബ്രറി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. നിയർലി 500 ബുക്സ് വേർ there. കുറച്ച് വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അവിടെ വെറും 200-ൽ താഴെ ബുക്കേ ഉള്ളൂ. എന്താ കാര്യം? എന്താ ക്ലപ്റ്റന്മാരുണ്ടായിട്ട്? So these clefts are stealing books. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. So that is the meaning. Then bibliolater. Bibliolater meaning one who worships book. He the best person. It's APJ Abdul Kalam. He worshipped books, and also he had a habit of reading books. Not only this, he always encouraged the youth to inculcate the habit of reading. Due to this habit of reading, he wrote 25 inspirational books. Next is bibliophile. Bibliophile meaning one who buys and sells books. Here you can see. Next, bibliophage, a voracious reader. Here the right person I kept here, Sri Shashi Tharoor. He is so fond of books that he set a target of reading 365 books in 365 days. Whether he did so or not, that we have to inquire. Whatever it is, he was a bibliophage. Not he was, he is a bibliophage. Okay, next one, bibliotheca. A collection of books. Here you can see collection of books. Bibliopegy is the art of binding books. See here in the picture, it is written here. You can see binded books. This is bibliopegy. Next is B. This B, its meaning is it doesn't change the meaning. So suppose it is always used as a prefix, then also it's the word meaning will not change. That is the meaning. Okay, so it makes the word richer and stronger. Then it makes everything intense. That is the meaning of B. Let us see the examples. First one is belittle. Belittle meaning criticize. See here in the picture you can see 4 birds. Once they were friends. പക്ഷേ വ്യക്തിഗത സ്വഭാവം കൊണ്ട് അസൂയ കുശുമ്പ് ഉണ്ടായി. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു പിണങ്ങി മാറിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. See these two one what ഒരു പക്ഷി പറയുകയാണ്, if you can see here it is written what this bird is telling, he is good for nothing, this bird is telling. So and see another bird, this one, the bird is telling he never miss an opportunity to belittle or disparage me. That is the meaning of criticize. Next is beseech. Beseech meaning to beg or to pray, entreat. That is the meaning of. So he also beseech God for what? Long life. So basically here in the picture. Next one, bestow. Bestow meaning to give, to present, to donate. That is the meaning of bestow. Here in the picture you can see a man giving or presenting an apple to the child. That is bestow. Next is bethwek. Bethwek meaning to hit. Here in the picture, the cricketer is hitting or striking the ball. Okay. Usually, school children while walking, if they see empty bottle or some other lightweight object, what they will do? They will bethwek with their legs. Isn't it? You might have seen. That is bethwek. Then bitung. Bitung meaning to scold. Here you can see a father scolding a child. Do you remember such a situation in your life? Once, twice, or daily? എന്നും കിട്ടാറൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടോ? So that is bitter. Next one is bewail. Bewail, to cry, to weep. See here the poor child crying. It is a heartfelt scene. Isn't it? Do you feel so? Then that is bewail. Next is beseech. To surround. Meaning is to surround. See here I have kept planet Saturn surrounded by a ring. You can see here it is surround. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. It is beseech. So here ends all the root words and related vocabulary words starting with B. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe, comment and share the video. Thank you for looking out.